Hello to my viewers. My topic today is about rational expressions. This maths is intended to the grade 8 students. So I have here e raised to the third power plus f raised to the third power over e squared minus f squared is divided by e squared minus ef plus f squared over e squared minus 4ef plus ef squared is divided again by e squared minus 5ef plus 6f squared over 2f squared plus ef minus e squared. So take note, the first fraction, the numerator is sum of two cubes, while the denominator is the difference of two squares. So to factor the numerator, it should be e plus f, and then square the first term. Since this is plus, it should be minus in here. Then I have copied the first and the second, plus square the second term, f squared. This one, then factor out the difference of 2 squared, it should be e plus f, then e minus f. This will be, since the operation is division, so I need to change the operation to multiplication, then upside down. So this one will be my numerator. So this will be e squared minus 4ef plus 3f squared. Then this will be switched. My numerator will become denominator. So this will be e squared minus ef plus f squared. Change also the operation to multiplication. So switch, this will be 2, oh no, sorry. I can arrange this one since we will start with e. So arrange this one. Negative e squared followed by ef. Then plus 2f squared. So this will be my denominator. So this will be e squared minus 5ef plus 6f squared. Okay? Since this is the same, e squared minus ef plus f squared, this will be crossed out. And then this one also, e plus f will be crossed out. So for the first fraction, I have 1 over e minus f. Then times. How to factor this one? So to factor this one, e squared minus 4ef plus 3f squared, this will be e minus 3f times e minus f. Okay, let us check. E squared, then this will be ef, then this will be 3ef, so it should be 4ef, and then ef plus f will be 3f squared. That's correct. Then times. Since I have negative the first term, so I need to factor out the negative sign. So it should be e squared. This will be changed to negative. This will be ef. Change also this one, minus 2f squared over e squared minus 5ef plus 6f squared. Sorry for the inconvenience because my whiteboard is on a limited space, so I need to erase. Okay. So to continue with, this will be 1 over e minus f. Then this will be times. Factors of the numerator of the second fraction will be e minus 3f. Then I have e minus f. Then for the third fraction, this will be negative. Factors of e squared minus ef minus 2f squared. So it should be e minus 2f. Then e plus f. Okay, let us check. E squared, and then this will be ef. Then this will be 2ef. This will be negative, and then this will be positive, negative 2f squared. Then how about the denominator? So e squared. E squared minus 5ef plus 6f squared. So this will be factors are e minus 3f times e minus 2f. Let us check. This will be e squared, and then this will be minus 2EF, and then this will be minus 3EF, that will be minus 5EF, then 3F times negative 2F, that will be positive 6F squared, correct? So EF will be crossed out with EF, then E minus 3F cross out. How about E minus 2F cross out? So 1, then this one will be E, then circle brackets E plus F. So this will be the final answer. That's all.